Alright, we're heading out to Panola County RC for the first race of the season, the Spring Fling. Let's see what we got. Tighten it up. Tighten that sucker up.
You need a chair, man.
Yeah, I know. August had an awesome time at her first racing event. She was very helpful. It took her a little while to turn Marshall here. You definitely lose a few seconds if you need her to flip you back over, but she's getting faster every day. So here we go. This is the first main event for open buggy, and I had a really rough start, dropped down to like 5th place, and then I was pretty happy. I didn't get overworked by that or overwhelmed by, dropping down, and I just tried to drive smooth, and I ended up reeling it back in and getting back into 2nd position. So that was pretty cool. The buggy was hooking up great. I was running the stock springs, the aftermarket VRP pistons with the valves in them so they rebound quicker. Stock sway bars, and this was, I think I was running gridirons in this race, but then in the second main event I ran zip downs, and
maybe TQ's fast lap.
I think the zip downs feel better on this track after it's been watered, but when it's dried out and there's some loose stuff on top, the gridiron 2s feel really nice. But yeah, the buggy was running awesome. This was a 17 turn Tekin motor and definitely likes to run hot. I noticed that 1700. This is a 17 tooth pinion on a 1700 Tekin. I did notice the 1700 Tekin likes to run hot compared to the 1900. I was getting my temps up around 190, and it didn't matter if I was running a 16, 17, or an 18 tooth pinion. It wanted to heat up pretty good. Leave in the comments if you have any experience with the 1700 Tekin or any secrets or advice to try to get it to run cooler. But my ESC was only at 120, so it is what it is. That nice triple there, you got some loops here. Those things are tricky. They can really throw you weird. This has a heck of a kicker. That jump right there has a heck of a kicker. You got to be careful on that. Straightaway, this double's nice and easy. You got this little hump here you want to kind of hug. And then this triple right here, you got to get on it. The nitro guys have trouble clearing this one. The electric ones don't really care. And here's that kicker jump again. There it is. That's how you want it to look. So he just passed me for... There, I got him back. He went off the track. That was us battling. I was in 4th, just came up to 3rd, I think. And he went off the track, back into 2nd. And I think I held on to that position for the rest of the race. But yeah, it was a really good day out there. Some good competition. I was trying to get first, but just could not quite cut it. Peter got first. I forget his last name, but Peter's really fast. He runs out of Indy a lot, and he was not easy to beat at all. You had to not make any mistakes to beat him. In the A main, I did run right behind him for the first 6 or 7 laps, the second A main, and then my front of my body actually broke and my body kept ballooning up, so that wasn't helping me go any faster. But even if it hadn't happened, I don't think I would have been able to pull off better than 2nd position in open. Well, that was stupid, dumb mistake. Ooh, kind of got into him there. Sorry.
That was my fault. I was just trying
Yeah,
to get back
awesome
on the
day
damn
at
track.
the races. Like I said, I'm going to go over all the bearings in the car. The car needs torn down completely. It got ran hard all weekend. I went out and practiced on Friday a little bit. And then Saturday I ran practice and a total of 8 races with the same car. So that thing definitely got worked in a little. So I'm going to tear everything apart completely and replace all the bearings. I'll make a video of how to clean them out and everything. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I hope that you're having a good time. There's all my plaques I won. So yeah, it was really cool. How y'all doing? It's CJ Moto, and we had an awesome day at the races yesterday at Panola County RC in Texas, and it was really a good time. Had some good success and ended up getting first in Sportsman Buggy, top qualifier, and I got second in Open Buggy. So that was really cool. The Techno ran awesome. The AK tires were hooking up. I was running, when the track was dried out, I was running Gridiron 2s in super soft, and then when it after the rain came and after they started to water it a little bit, I was running the zip downs, and they were sweet. So in the main events, zip downs. And then I got some bearings. I talked to the owner of this company in California, and it seemed like they have really good price on bearings. But if y'all want to check them out, it's called TRBRC. And so I got all the sizes for the buggy. I got 10 of each, and it's like under $1 a bearing if you go on their website and make an order, like a mass order. So I'm gonna be making a video. I think bearings are like one of the most important things with 8-scale racing. So I'm gonna make a video of what I do to clean my bearings out, and then how I re-lubricate them, what I use, and then, you know, just that really works good. And I think getting all the gunk, because basically they put like a petroleum jelly in there out of the box almost, like, and they don't roll very free at all. So the more free your drivetrain is, the better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and watch out for more tutorial videos in the future, and please subscribe to the channel and check out all the great stuff to come. All right, see y'all later. CJ Moto out.